Okay, everybody, here we go this week. You'll notice our difference is that we are going to do volume of the prisms this week. And with volume, what we're looking for is something like capacity. It means how much is it going to hold? The other thing you'll remember is that volume, whatever my units are, it's cubed because it's how many cubic units it's going to hold. All right, really simple formula for volume of all of these prisms. I know you might be thinking, oh, I already know volume. Volume is always length times width times height. Except that's only going to work on a rectangular prisms. You need to make sure that you can use that formula for all prisms. So the formula that we're going to work with, that's going to work on all of our prisms, is going to be volume equals capital B, which is the base, area of the base, multiplied by the height. So with this one, the volume, the area of the base, and since it's a rectangle or a square, in this case a rectangle, your rectangular prism base area would be 6, and then we'd multiply that by 4. So that means the volume of this prism would be 24 cubic centimeters. Okay, triangular prism, same thing. Your volume is your base multiplied by the height. So for this one, since we have a triangular base, you're looking at your volume is the area of the triangle, which is 6 by 7 by half. So that part is 21, and then multiply that by the height, which is 8. It means the volume of this one is 168 cubic feet. Okay, let's see if I can change this force just a little bit. It's going to look a little funky here. All right, don't know why it does it. Okay, back to a rectangular prism. So your volume, your base times the height. Base in this is 8 by 10. So we're talking 80 multiplied by 14. And we end up with the volume being 1,120 cubic inches. There we go. Okay, same thing over here. We're back to having a triangular prism. So we're talking volume, in this case, half times 14 times 9, because that's my base and my height down here. So the volume of this is 63, and then multiply that by the height, which is 2. So your volume is 126 meters cubed. Okay, tell you what, now we're going to change it. Here is my next one. I'm going to give you just a little bit to get a piece of paper and work on your own. Pause this video if you want. Okay. Let's see if you and I have the same answer. So, volume, capital B, area of the base, times the height. Your volume in this case is 8 by 6, so that's 48. Multiplied by the height, which is 15. So we end up with a grand total of 720 cubic yards. Okay, let's do another triangular prism. Same thing, volume is the area of the base times the height. So your volume in this case, all right, I'm going to take a little break, let you solve it. All right, you should have your solution. So since it's a triangle, I always kind of like to write it out. Oops. So we end up with 2 times 5.5 times a half. So our volume is going to end up being 5.5. Now we're going to multiply that by the height, which is 4. So your volume is 22 cubic inches. All right. Good job, everybody. Go on now to the other video, and then we'll look at a couple practice problems.